Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
JavaScript. Module 1, Introduction to JavaScript. JavaScript is a versatile and powerful programming language commonly used in web development. It allows developers to create interactive and dynamic content on websites. This module covers the basics of JavaScript, including its syntax, fundamental concepts, and how it integrates with HTML and CSS. Objectives. By the end of this module, you should be able to 1. Understand the history and evolution of JavaScript. 2. Write basic JavaScript code. 3. Understand and use variables, data types, and operators. 4. Implement control structures, if-else, loops. 5. Work with functions and events. 6. Integrate JavaScript with HTML and CSS. 1. Definition. JavaScript is a high-level, interpreted scripting language used to make web pages interactive. Role in web development, often used alongside HTML and CSS to create dynamic web applications. 2. Setting up the environment. A. Browser console, using the browser's developer tools to write and test JavaScript code. B. Text editors and IDEs, introduction to popular tools like Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, and WebStorm. 3. JavaScript syntax and basics. A. Statements and semicolons, writing statements and understanding the optional use of semicolons. B. Comments, single line, // and multi-line, ****, comments. C. Case sensitivity, JavaScript is case sensitive. 4. Variables and data types. A. Declaring variables, using var, let, and constant b primitive data types, number, string, boolean, null, undefined, and symbol. C. Type conversion, converting between different data types. 5. Operators. A. Arithmetic operators, plus, dash, asterisk, /, %. B. Assignment operators, equals, plus equals, dash equals, asterisk equals, slash equals. C. Comparison operators, equals, 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 equals. D. Logical operators, and. 6. Control structures. A. Conditional statements, if, else, switch. B. Loops, for, while, do, while. 7. Functions. A. Function declaration, defining functions using function keyword. B. Function expressions, storing functions in variables. C. Arrow functions, shorter syntax for writing functions. D. Parameters and arguments, passing data to functions. 8. Events and event handling. A. Event types, click, load, input, etc. B. Event listeners, adding and removing event listeners. C. Event object, understanding event properties and methods. 9. JavaScript in HTML and CSS. A. Embedding JavaScript, using script tags. B. DOM manipulation, accessing and modifying HTML elements. C. Styling with JavaScript, changing CSS properties dynamically.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.